Hi guys, how you all doing and welcome to the channel. I'm Rick and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy coleslaw. Now I'm a bit of a coleslaw addict. I love coleslaw. I love coleslaw on peanut butter on toast. Absolutely love it. Now with a few ingredients you can easily match any supermarket coleslaw. Now this coleslaw has about 7 ingredients and will take about 5 minutes to make. Now this is a really delicious creamy coleslaw. Let's show you how to make it.
Okay guys, what we need to do first is take out the core or the stalk end of the cabbage, and then we need to finely slice our cabbage as fine as we possibly can. Now you can use a mandolin or even through one of those food processor slicing discs, but slicing it by hand is easy enough if you're okay with a knife. Slice it thinly and put in a bowl. And then we want to grate either a quarter or a half of onion. Just be careful, it might bring tears to your eyes. And take 2 carrots, 2 medium-sized carrots, and thinly slice those, or in technical terms, julienne. But slice them up as thin as possible. Just remember guys, watch your fingers when you're doing any jobs like this with a knife. And when we've thinly sliced all our carrot and we have a big pile, we need to chop across the carrot with our knife. Just make them into smaller pieces. And then add to the cabbage in the bowl. Now a top tip guys, don't do what I've done. Use a larger mixing bowl to mix this. I would have mixed this in a stainless steel bowl, but I'm trying to mix it in a glass bowl so we can film it. Anyway, mix it all through. Try not to make a mess. And then we need to add 200 grams of mayonnaise. Along with the mayonnaise, we need to add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And we need to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now you can use white vinegar, but I prefer apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt, and then we give this a good mix. Like I say guys, make sure you have a decent mixing bowl, not like me. Once it's all mixed through, done and served. That is our creamy coleslaw made. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe and share the video. Now coleslaw is always better if left for a few hours.